Hey, it's your girl Chab, and today I'm coming at you with a demo, a review, all first impressions on the new Makeup Revolution Fast-Based Stick Foundation. And I have two shades because I have no idea what shade I am. I just checked on Ulta.com because that's where I got it from. And I'm gonna be trying it on my face today, not only with a sponge on one side, but I'm gonna do a brush on the other side. So we're gonna know the tea on this foundation. So if you wanna know the tea, I'm being redundant on this foundation, then let's get started. All right, guys, so what is the tea on the new foundation right here? So I got two shades. I got F8 and F9. So online, F8 is for medium skin tones with yellow undertone, and then F9 is a shade for medium skin tones with peach undertones. And I have no idea what I'm feeling today. Right now I'm looking red tone. This foundation, I got it from Ulta. It's for $9, okay? It's got 98 reviews currently, and it has 4 stars. So it's a good foundation for the most part. So this foundation has 0.21 ounces in it. I don't know what that means. I don't care. I'm just letting y'all know. It comes with 18 shades available for everybody. Can you see it on my phone? Hashtag not sponsor. So online at Ulta.com, it says only at Ulta, foundation just got faster, available in multiple shades and a range of undertones. Makeup Revolution's fast-based stick foundation quickly perfects contours and highlights your complexion. I had to say it really, like, you know, dramatic, so y'all know, you know, I'm excited for it because I am, because I love getting new foundations. They even have how to use twist up, swipe on, and blend with fingers, beauty sponge, or your favorite foundation brush. I'm not gonna be using God's gifts, aka my hands, okay? None of this, none of that. We're gonna be using 2 different tools today. I'm gonna be using my beauty blender right here. She looks a little pink right there because she was next to my pink beauty blender, and you know those things bleed like crazy, y'all. And then we got this is a Real Techniques expert face brush right here. So this side we're gonna be smoothing out with the brush, the expert face brush. How are you? And then on this side we're gonna be patting this on. This is really wet, like, you hear that? It sounds like someone's peeing. Let's get into it, y'all. Let's just get into it. We're gonna put it on the face. So first, the way you wanna check if your foundation matches is that you swipe it on your jawline. That's what I learned at Sephora. Hashtag not sponsor. Hashtag I don't work there no more, but it's okay because that job was great. So I got F8. So this is the yellow undertone foundation right here. And then this one is the peach undertone. I mean, either way, I'm keeping both because I don't know. I don't like returning things. Anyway, so this is the peach undertone one. So I'm gonna put that one right next to her. These jones are thick. That's my first impression right there. They're thick. 8 is this one and F9 is this one. So the F9 looks a little too pink. It actually looks like my skin right now, but we're trying to cover up the redness. So I'm not gonna be using that one. The F8 one I think I'm gonna use. So let me just wipe this off because we want it to be fair. We want it to be great. We want it to be grand, okay? Let's stop rambling. Let's just get into this. So what I'm gonna be using for primer, I'm gonna be using the NYX Angel Veil primer, and yeah, we're gonna put this all over the face. I'm gonna use a primer that I know works well, that I know is going to help my foundation last all day, every day, and it's not going to budge, it's not gonna move, it's gonna be the best it can be. Which a lot of people, they don't want to prime their faces when they use new foundations to see the actual, like, whatever. I'm trying to give this foundation the best chance it could possibly have, so that's why I'm using this primer. Don't forget your double chin. So I'm gonna be doing this side with the brush first, so let's put it on this side first. You'll see that that's one swipe, it's covering everything. So I'm just going to approach with caution and just do like this amount of swipes, and if I need more I will layer on. So I'm gonna blend it out with my Real Techniques, and we're gonna see if we need to layer on more. So let's go. Okay, so this is the foundation with the brush on this side of the face. So what I can see from this side of my face is it is giving me medium coverage, and I think it's because I didn't apply it a whole lot, and for some of you that might be too much. Don't you dare shade me, because I could still see a little bit of redness. I do have like a little beauty mark right there that it's still showing. I could still see a little bit of redness on top of my eyebrow and everything, and I did spread it, but because it's a little thick, it didn't cover like this area right here. I did a little bit of blending here and there, and overall I do like the finish. I mean, right now it's summertime, okay, and my face is getting a little more oily and stuff. I'm a seasonal dry / oily kind of gal that we call combo Gant. I would say definitely I could use this during the winter time, probably not in the summertime. That's just my first impression on it. So I am gonna apply a little bit more to see how it layers with the brush. So I'm gonna do that right now. All right, so I look a little crazy right now, but this is one half of my face. So now I could say that this is like a medium to a full coverage here. I think because when I'm using my brush and I'm like grabbing it right here and I'm like swiping, that I'm moving the product around because it is more a little emollient, for like a better term. This is definitely a foundation. I can tell right off the bat. It's a foundation for dry skin because it's moving around a lot. It's very hydrating. My face doesn't feel dry. It's not patchy or anything. It's really nice and hashtag super smooth, super smooth. I like the finish on this. It's not matte. It's definitely not matte. It's on the dewier side and it's going to be a medium to full coverage. It can be built up, so that's good. So now I'm gonna try on the other side with the Sponge Beauty Blender Nude, hashtag ew. Get some clothes on, girl. I'm gonna do the swiping again. We got a little Miss Pimple here. She is not welcome, but she's here anyway. She needs to leave. We're gonna see if this is gonna cover up that. Let's do the other side now. So I did this side of my face with the Beauty Blender and I blended it out, and what I can tell you right now is that I actually prefer the Beauty Blender over the brush and stuff. I mean, the brush made it look nice, but the Beauty Blender just makes it look so like micronized. Maybe I'm just a little biased because I love Beauty Blenders. I love them so much. I use them for my face all the time. It looks super smooth and it, for once in its entire life, didn't absorb too much of the product. So it actually covered a lot, but I am going to layer on just a teensy bit more because in my opinion, it's more of like a medium to a buildable full coverage. So I'm just gonna add just a teensy bit more, and then I'm gonna do the rest of my face. Eyebrows, you know, she is non-existent, but we're gonna bring her in, and then we'll put on a little lip, a little bit of face things here and there, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. So let's go. Guys, look at the skins. Look at the whole face in general, okay? So we're going for minimalistic, shiny, glowing goddess vibes, okay? So we got a little bit of lash, like a lot of brow. You see that brow? I'm expressive. And a little bit of gloss. Hello, gloss. Everything I use on my face, I will be linking down below so y'all can check it out. Is this Chab proof or not? It is Chab proof. I like the way that it makes my skin look and stuff. I just put a little bit of powder under the eye, a little bit up here, a little bit of here, whatever. It is not for oily skin because y'all face is gonna be slipping and sliding. Right now, I'm sitting still. I am not moving around. I'm not kickboxing. I'm not doing the normal things that I would do, okay? You know, if it's a girl's day out or whatever and stuff, I will wear something like this. Or boys, hashtag love wins. I do like the foundation. It is not emphasizing any texture. It is set into the skin. It's not moving around. It's not being crazy and stuff. If you want to get an update on this foundation, I will wear it more, but you know, because you know, I literally just opened it, okay? It's brand new to me. I'm going to test it out even more and stuff. Follow me on all my social medias down below right here, especially Snapchat and Instagram, because that is where I'm active the most. Follow me. Now, oily skin girls, use some powder, okay? PatrickStarrr powder, wherever you can find it now, because that girl was limited edition. That one's good. Kat Von D setting powder. I'll leave the powders that I recommend down below for y'all. I'm doing y'all a favor. Doesn't mean that your skin ain't fresh, okay? Just means this is too fresh. I'm sorry. I don't know what else way to put it, whatever. All right, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all the social medias down below right here. Oh my gosh, are we gonna make it to a song? No, we're not. No, we're not. I hate this. Ding ding, hit the notification bell because your girl make new videos every Friday. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or what you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. Bye. Because my Costco card expired. My phalanges are more accessible to things. You just need to act like a cannibal. Just bite things. I was gonna... So this has Okay, excuse me, I don't know. I'm hungry. Skin tones with yellow, more yellow. My God.